this stage when you get to see what the Hyundai Tucson Sport is all about. You see, it's when you pull off that you get a lot of that bottom end grunt and the torque, and you get a lot of noise and fun. It's at this stage that you see what they've done here. On the outside, it looks sharp, it looks pointy, it looks rather aggressive and mean with its exuded front ends, the wider flared arches, the 19-inch blackened alloys, and perhaps most importantly from a show perspective, those large quad tailpipes. But it's actually also at this point that you get to feel that a lot of that fun and that bark from the low-end torque that comes out. You see, I drove the Hyundai Tucson Sport at its SA Media launch a couple of months back. I drove it in both the 1.6-litre turbocharged petrol variant as well as a diesel variant, and even pushing it around the Killarney Raceway, you could really feel that this car was all about fun and just letting go a little bit in what is otherwise a practical, spacious and luxurious family SUV. You see, the Tucson Sport is based on the formidable, very, very popular and ever so practical Hyundai Tucson, or as it was known formerly, the iX35. It's here in its elite trim that it's sold, so it's got a lot in the way of standard kit. We're talking keyless go and entry, for instance, this multifunctional steering wheel up in front of me, dual zone climate controlled air conditioning. I've got this lovely large panoramic roof overhead, ISOFIX mounting points, touchscreen based media system with Apple's CarPlay and Android Auto, and the list goes on and on. You're getting a car which has obviously built up its practicality being in its Tucson variant because it offers so much. But with the Tucson Sport, yes, it's a little bit of a unique niche product from the brand, but ever so fun and so enjoyable to drive, particularly when you get that little bit of extra bark and you have a nice road to throw it around on the corners. So finally, this Hyundai Tucson Sport, yes, it's a bit of a unique product from the brand. It's a bit of a niche product. It won't be the biggest seller within the model, but it's great that Hyundai have brought this funky looking, stylish body pack, as well as some impressive hoot-like performance, which gives it a little bit of fun. It lets you have a little bit of fun in terms of the noise, the low-end torque, which slides it around a bit, but yet retains the Tucson practicality. Finally, to top things off, it's sold with Hyundai's industry-leading 7-year, 200,000 kilometer manufacturer warranty, as well as 5-year, 90,000 kilometer service plan, and Hyundai's roadside assistance. Though this may not be their biggest volume seller, it remains unique, something special, and a bit of a hoot. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.